Hello everyone, this is Vijiha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of our discussion is industrial manufacturing. What is meant by industrial manufacturing? So we will see here that I will also share some photos, some videos, then you will come to know that how the Pakistani industries are working and how everything is came into being and how the things are developing in Pakistani industries and in all over the world, how the things are being manufactured in industries. So have a look. What do you mean by manufacturing industry? So here the definition comes: a branch of manufacture and trade based on the fabrication, processing, or preparation of products from raw materials and commodities. This include all foods, chemicals, textiles, machines, and equipments. This include all refined metals and minerals derived from extracted ores. Basically, in manufacturing industries, we used to make things that are raw and sometimes that are not usable. So the things that are not usable and then after manufacturing and industry they convert them into some usable things that can be have some benefit for the country and the people. So have a look at the manufacturing industries in Pakistan. Have a look at the industrial manufacturing in Pakistan. Pakistan manufacturing sector is dominated by textile and food, beverages, and tobacco, coke and petroleum, and pharmaceuticals. The manufacturing sector is made up of three parts: large scale manufacturing, small scale manufacturing, and slaughtering. Here are the some pictures that which are the most famous industrial states in Pakistan. So have a look, it's a very big and they're using a very heavy machinery. As you can see, it's very huge machinery. Pakistan is also good in industries, but not that much to some extent. Here are some slides that we are not using some slides. Now have a look Pakistan industrial production, that how much it's producing money from industries. Have a look. Electricity production in December 2021 is 9966 gigawatt per hour, and in December 2026 changes in inventories are 2204,380. That's not that much good. Pakistan is not an strong country economically. So now I will show some industries that are working very fine in Pakistan. Here is the most famous manufacturing company in Pakistan, Kamal Textile Mill Cotton Web Limited, which is located in Lahore, Bin Rashid Colors and Chemical Manufacturing Company Limited, and Karshi Industries, Sui Northern Gas Pipeline Limited, and Falcon Surgical Co. Army Welfare Trust, K Electric Limited. These are the most famous, and these companies and industries are working in Pakistan. Have a look. Its sales revenue is too much. Kamal Textile Mills. Its sale revenue is huge. I swear it's lots of. Cotton Web Limited, and then further they are moving. And which one is making less? DG Khan Cement Co., which is located in Lahore, 293.74 million. On the top, the manufacturing industries that is working is Kamal Textile Mills. So I hope you will like my video. I will also come with another video with some another industrial manufacturing companies. I hope you will like my video and please subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.